We believe you are here, probably because you are looking for your perfect student accommodation in Sydney. Today we bring you Sydney University Village. This could be your new home away from home, and we want you to know why. Located in Newtown, this marvelous student accommodation offers a range of well-furnished studios and shared apartments. All the rooms here come with a snug bed, wardrobe, fully fitted kitchen, and a personal study area where you can complete your assignments or research in peace. Head over to the games room to spend some leisure time with your pals or breathe in some fresh air in the courtyard. Stroll to the common area to relax or watch TV in the lounge with your pals after you are done crunching notes for the upcoming final in the study room area. In addition, you get free laundry facilities, high-speed Wi-Fi, an on-site maintenance team, and 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Since the University of Sydney, the University of Notre Dame, and Torrens University are very close to the property, you'll have enough spare time at hand to run quick daily errands and still be on time for the lectures at uni. Visit Herman's Bar to enjoy a fun night with your friends, or just go around to visit vintage shops, bookstores, and restaurants that the neighborhood has to offer. Sydney University Village seems to be a great perfect choice for students. Visit amberstudent.com to book your room today.